going to study class 10 chemistry chapter number 3 metals and non-metals. Before starting this chapter, I want to give some introduction to the mind map of this chapter. Mind map of this chapter means what? These are the major topics which we are going to include in this chapter or which we are going to study in this chapter. First one is physical properties of metals, chemical properties of metals, physical properties of non-metals, chemical properties of non-metals, reactivity series of the metals. This is very important topic, that is occurrence and extraction of metals. This includes some methods of extraction also, corrosion and prevention of corrosion. This is very easy and known thing to you because it is observed in your daily life. Now we shall start with our first topic, that is physical properties of metals. So first property is metals are strong and hard to cut. It means we cannot cut them very easily, but few exceptional cases are there. Those are sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are so soft metal such that it can be cut with knife. They are malleable. Now what is the property of malleability? Malleability means what? They can be beaten into thin sheets. They are ductile. Ductile means what? They can be drawn into thin wires. They are sonorous. Sonorous means they produce sweet sound when we are strike with something. Next one, they are lustrous. Lustrous means what? They have its own shine on the surface or they have shiny surface. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Means they conduct heat and electricity. They have high melting and boiling point. Here also few exceptional cases are there. Sodium, potassium, cesium and gallium. These four metals are there having a low melting and boiling point. Generally metals have high melting and boiling points. They are solids except mercury. Generally metals are found in solid state at room temperature, but mercury is the only metal which is liquid at room temperature. And lastly, they have high density. High density means what? They are heavy in weight. They have very good weight, or we can say metals are heavy in weight. But again these exceptional cases are there, that is sodium, potassium and lithium. Since they are soft metal, its density is very low. Generally metals are heavy, having high density, but sodium, potassium and lithium are the metals which have low density and they are light in weight. Now we shall study next property, that is chemical properties of metals.